Chapter 3, Parts of Computer. Objectives. After completion of this lesson, students will be able to identify the main parts of a computer, name the additional devices connected to a computer, describe the functions of these parts, differentiate main and additional parts of a computer. After setting up her new computer, Neha was puzzled when she found all the tangled wires were connected to the same box. She curiously asked her father,
"Why the wires of all these devices are connected to a box only? What do they do?"
"Good question." Her father appreciated her and said, "Just like human body has many parts, each part does a special function. Similarly, a computer has different parts, and each part performs a special task." Let us look at the computer. We can divide the parts of a computer in two types. Main parts: CPU, CPU box, monitor, keyboard, and mouse are the basic parts of a computer. Additional parts: speakers, headphones, joystick, printer, etc. are additional parts and connected to the CPU box. Now let us learn about the functions of these parts. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of a computer and is also known as brain of the computer. It controls all other parts and helps the computer think and work. CPU is found inside the big box called CPU box or system unit. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work done on the computer. We can watch movies, cartoons, and play games on it. Keyboard. A keyboard has several small buttons called keys. It helps us to type words and numbers by pressing keys. Note: pressing keys of a keyboard to write on a computer is called typing. Cool fact: there are more than 100 keys on a keyboard. Mouse. It has two buttons and a wheel in between. It shows a pointer on the monitor that moves as we move the mouse. Mouse is used to point items shown on the monitor screen and for drawing and painting. Note: pressing of mouse buttons is called clicking. Cool fact: the computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart. After listening carefully, Neha asked her father,
"But Dad, you said that we can draw pictures and take them on paper and even play songs and games on computer. How do these parts can help us to do these things?"
"Yes, of course. You can do all these things by using additional parts of computer. Let us learn about them. Printer. It helps us to print the work done by the computer on a paper, such as pictures, letters, etc. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music or any sound played on the computer. They usually come in pairs. Headphone. Headphones are used to listen to music or sound without disturbing others. Note: we should listen to music on the headphone with low volume, otherwise it may harm our eardrums. Joystick. It is used to control the pointer or player on the monitor while playing games on a computer. Quick refresh. A computer has basic parts such as CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU box. A monitor shows the work done on a computer. A keyboard has many keys and is used for typing. A mouse is used to point at things on the computer. Additional parts such as printer, speakers, joystick, etc. can also be attached to the computer. A printer prints the work done on a computer on paper. Speakers and headphones help us to listen to sound and music.